What's up, everyone? I'm going to share the food that I'm taking on a 30-mile weekend backpacking trip, Art Loeb Trail in September. Oh my goodness. 3 days, 2 nights, and this is everything I'm taking. Not easy though. Silly. All right, so this is going to be everything that's packed in the bear canister. Day 1, we're getting a late start, so I'll have a pro bar while we're hiking. Lunch, tortilla with honey and peanut butter. Lara bar and Bolt Energy Chews for a snack. Dinner both nights is going to be a homemade backpacking meal. I will share the ingredients to that at the end. Breakfast the second day. I think the second day is probably going to be the hardest. So I've got some oatmeal mixture with like chia seeds and cinnamon and such with honey and peanut butter. Lara bar, Bolt Energy Chews, and then some Cliff Energy Chews. I might have to throw another snack in on day 2. I'm not sure yet. Lunch is going to be a cold soak with couscous, hot sauce packet, and Cheez-Its. Homemade backpacking meal for dinner. So this actually, there's 2 tortillas in here. So one is for lunch on day 1, and then the other one is for breakfast on day 3 with peanut butter and some apple butter. Another Lara bar, some Bolt Energy Chews, and then if we are out there long enough to need another lunch, I've got some more couscous with a different hot sauce packet, and these are those. They're kind of interesting. I think they would taste good with the crunch. And these are the cheeses that I went with, the extra cheesy. They are really good. Definitely just ultra processed food, but you know, when you're on the trail, you kind of want some junk food. So coming back to the backpacking meal right quick, I will show the ingredients here. It is very simple. It is instant rice, TVP, Bob's Red Meal version, and some dried bell pepper that I bought on Amazon. In the extra pack, I've got 1 ounce of cashews, a hot sauce packet, a tamari soy sauce packet, and a lime powder packet. So when I get to camp, first thing I'm going to do is add water to this bag. Let that cold soak for just basically while I'm setting up the tent and getting all my stuff set up. And it usually takes a good 20 to 30 minutes, but I mean, honestly, it's pretty quick. So as long as this is the first thing you do when you get to camp, it should be ready by the time you're done with everything. After that is good, I'm going to mix in the sauces and the lime powder and then top with cashews after everything's mixed together. And this meal is delicious cold soaked. So I honestly do not need hot water to really enjoy this meal. And that's it. That is going to be everything that I am taking to eat on our 3-day weekend hike. All right, see y'all on the trail very soon.